Massive rains coupled with strong winds pounded the hilly terrain of Avalanche hamlet, leaving the Nilgiris region in Tamil Nadu devastated. Many families living in low-lying areas have been forced to move to safer places as houses have been inundated with floodwater. In a 24-hour period, Avalanche received 58 centimeters of rainfall. A few parts of Nilgiris district will continue to receive heavy rainfall with strong winds for 2 more days, according to IMD Chennai. The recent rains have uprooted many trees and electric poles. In Theni, strong winds blew off the roofs of more than 10 houses, forcing people to take refuge in temporary shelters. Many rivers are also in spate in Coimbatore district. Overflowing water inundated a bridge built across the Bhavani Dam in Thavalam village, leaving a few villagers stranded. In Coimbatore, incessant rain for 3 days destroyed plantain cultivations, leaving farmers distressed. Many crops that were nearing harvest were uprooted in the rains.